Windows 10 makes it easy to take a screenshot just the way you want. Let's go through all of the different methods. Press the PrtScn button to capture everything on the screen. Then right-click and paste or press Ctrl+V to paste the capture into another program like Photoshop, Affinity Photo, OneNote, PowerPoint, etc. Because I use two monitors, you can see my capture is both screens. To capture the window in focus, use Alt-PrtScn. For example, if I just want to capture this plugin window, select the window so it's in focus, press Alt-PrtScn to copy the image to your clipboard, then paste the image into another program using right-click paste or just hit Ctrl+V. If, on the other hand, I want the entire Studio One interface, click on the window so it's in focus, press Alt-PrtScn, and paste it into another program. Press Windows key PrtScn to save the whole screen as a file. You can find it in Pictures, Screenshots, and as you can see, because I use two monitors, it captures both of them. You can then crop and edit the image as needed. The Snip Sketch tool is the newest way to take a screenshot. There's two ways to use it. Press the Windows key and type Snip. Open the Snip Sketch tool. Under New, you can select to take a snip now or with a delay to capture things like tooltips. The screen will dim and you can click and drag around the area you want to capture. The image will be saved to your clipboard, so you can paste it into another program or edit it within Snip Sketch and save the image. To directly open the Snip Sketch tool, use the keyboard shortcut Windows key Shift-S. The Snip Sketch tool also has other options. Rectangular snip, as we've already seen. Freeform snip, to select a non-rectangular shape. Window snip, to select a specific window. Full screen snip, to select everything on your monitor or multiple monitors. Or click the X to close. Whichever option you choose, after you make your selection, you can immediately paste your image into another program, or open it from the sidebar and make edits within Snip Sketch. If you want to screen cap while playing a game, you can use the Game Bar. Press Windows key G to open Game Bar. From here, you can take a screenshot or even record a video. You'll find your videos and screenshots in Videos, Captures.